Social anxiety is a common challenge that affects millions of people, making everyday interactions feel daunting. Addressing this issue is crucial, as it can significantly impact personal relationships, career opportunities, and overall quality of life. In this video, we will explore interactive techniques designed to help individuals overcome social anxiety, providing practical tools that can be applied in real-life situations. Viewers can expect to learn about effective strategies such as role-playing, exposure therapy, and mindfulness exercises that encourage engagement and build confidence. We will also discuss common pitfalls to avoid, such as relying solely on avoidance or negative self-talk, which can hinder progress. Overcoming social anxiety is not just about feeling more comfortable in social settings, it's about enhancing your overall well-being and opening doors to new experiences. Whether it's attending a social gathering, speaking up in meetings, or simply connecting with others, the skills you'll learn here can transform your daily interactions. So, if you're ready to take the first step towards a more confident you, stay tuned as we dive into these interactive techniques and uncover the best practices for overcoming social anxiety effectively. Understanding social anxiety. Social anxiety is a psychological condition characterized by an intense fear of social situations, leading to significant distress and avoidance behaviors. Individuals with social anxiety often experience symptoms such as excessive sweating, rapid heartbeat, trembling, and overwhelming feelings of embarrassment or self-consciousness. Common triggers can include public speaking, meeting new people, or even eating in front of others. The impact of social anxiety extends beyond mere discomfort. It can severely affect personal and professional relationships. In personal life, individuals may struggle to form connections, leading to feelings of isolation and loneliness. In the workplace, social anxiety can hinder career advancement, as fear of speaking up in meetings or networking can limit opportunities for growth and collaboration. Recognizing social anxiety as a common issue is crucial for fostering understanding and support. Many people experience similar feelings, yet the stigma surrounding mental health can prevent open discussions. By acknowledging social anxiety, we can create a more empathetic environment that encourages individuals to seek help and develop coping strategies. Understanding this condition is the first step toward overcoming it, allowing individuals to reclaim their lives and build meaningful connections with others. Common interactive techniques. Managing social anxiety can be effectively achieved through various interactive techniques that empower individuals to face their fears. Some of the most effective methods include role-playing, exposure therapy, and mindfulness exercises. Role-playing allows individuals to practice social interactions in a controlled setting, helping them to prepare for real-life situations. Exposure therapy gradually exposes individuals to anxiety-provoking scenarios, enabling them to desensitize their fears over time. Mindfulness exercises, on the other hand, focus on grounding oneself in the present moment, reducing anxiety by promoting relaxation and self-awareness. These techniques are designed to build confidence in social situations. By engaging in role-playing, individuals can rehearse conversations and responses, making them feel more prepared and less anxious. Exposure therapy helps to diminish the fear associated with specific social situations, while mindfulness exercises cultivate a sense of calm and focus, allowing individuals to approach interactions with a clearer mindset. It's important to encourage viewers to practice these techniques in safe environments, such as with trusted friends or family members. This supportive setting can foster growth and provide valuable feedback, making it easier to transition into more challenging social scenarios. By consistently applying these interactive techniques, individuals can gradually overcome their social anxiety and enhance their overall quality of life. What to avoid? Negative self-talk. Negative self-talk can be a significant barrier for individuals struggling with social anxiety, reinforcing feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt. When we engage in negative self-talk, we often amplify our fears and convince ourselves that we are not capable of handling social situations. This internal dialogue can create a vicious cycle, where the more we criticize ourselves, the more anxious we become, making it even harder to engage with others. Common negative thoughts to avoid include phrases like, "I always mess up," "No one wants to talk to me," or "I'll embarrass myself." These thoughts not only distort reality, but also prevent individuals from recognizing their strengths and abilities. To combat this detrimental mindset, it's essential to encourage viewers to replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. For instance, instead of thinking, "I'm terrible at socializing," try reframing it to, "I am learning and improving my social skills." Positive affirmations can help shift focus from fear to empowerment, fostering a more constructive mindset. By consciously challenging negative self-talk and embracing positivity, individuals can reduce their anxiety and build the confidence needed to thrive in social situations. Remember, the way we speak to ourselves matters, and cultivating a supportive inner dialogue is key to overcoming social anxiety. What to avoid? Isolation. Isolation can be one of the most detrimental responses to social anxiety, often exacerbating feelings of anxiety and loneliness. When individuals withdraw from social situations, they miss out on opportunities for connection and support, which can lead to a deeper sense of isolation. This withdrawal can create a cycle where the more one isolates, the more anxious and lonely they feel, making it increasingly difficult to re-engage with the world. It's crucial to encourage viewers to seek social interactions, even in small doses. Engaging with others, whether through casual conversations or brief outings, can help break the cycle of isolation and provide a sense of belonging. These small steps can gradually build confidence and reduce anxiety over time. Joining support groups or participating in community activities can also be incredibly beneficial. These environments offer a safe space to connect with others who may share similar experiences, fostering understanding and camaraderie. Whether it's a local hobby group, a class, or an online community, these connections can provide valuable support and encouragement. By actively seeking social interactions and avoiding isolation, individuals can take significant strides toward overcoming social anxiety and enhancing their overall well-being. Remember, reaching out is a powerful step toward healing and connection. What to avoid? Overthinking social situations. Overthinking social situations can be a significant pitfall for those dealing with social anxiety. When individuals dwell on potential outcomes, they often amplify their fears, leading to increased anxiety and, ultimately, avoidance of social interactions altogether. This cycle of overthinking can create a barrier that prevents individuals from engaging in meaningful connections and experiences. To combat this tendency, it's essential to encourage viewers to focus on the present moment rather than getting lost in hypothetical scenarios. Practicing mindfulness can help ground individuals, allowing them to appreciate the current experience without the weight of future worries. Practical strategies can also be effective in managing overthinking. One such method is journaling, where individuals can write down their thoughts and feelings before a social event. This practice not only helps to clarify and process emotions, but also provides an opportunity to challenge negative thoughts. Additionally, setting time limits for thinking about social situations can help prevent spiraling into excessive worry. By recognizing the pitfalls of overthinking and implementing these strategies, individuals can reduce anxiety and approach social interactions with a clearer, more positive mindset. Remember, focusing on the present can transform anxiety into confidence, paving the way for more fulfilling social experiences. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored the importance of using effective techniques to manage social anxiety while also highlighting common pitfalls to avoid. We discussed interactive methods like role-playing, exposure therapy, and mindfulness exercises that can empower you to face social situations with confidence. Additionally, we emphasized the dangers of negative self-talk, isolation, and overthinking, which can hinder your progress and exacerbate feelings of anxiety. Taking small steps is crucial in the journey toward overcoming social anxiety. Each interaction, no matter how minor, contributes to building your confidence and resilience. Remember, it's perfectly okay to start small and gradually expand your comfort zone. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and strategies on managing social anxiety and enhancing your well-being. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or family who might benefit from these techniques. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content and build a supportive community. Together, we can navigate the challenges of social anxiety and foster a more connected and confident life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.